friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted parsnips. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. And what we need for this easy recipe are fresh parsnips, olive oil or any kind of vegetable oil, and seasonings of your choice. I'm using salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So to prepare the parsnips, first we need to peel them. You peel them with a vegetable peeler, same way as you're peeling carrots. Super easy. So now I've peeled the parsnips, and also I forgot to mention I washed them, of course, before making this video. So first wash them and peel them, and also look at them if they have brown ends, and cut those off. And if they look fine, and you don't need to do that since you washed them. So just see if there's any ends that need cutting off. If they're brown, so you just get rid of them. And this one is fine. So now we've peeled them, and we want to cut them into pieces. So I'm just cut them into fairly evenly sized pieces. Now this part is thicker, so I'm going to cut it in half and then into slices, even like that. Bigger pieces into quarters. So the objective is, we want the pieces to be roughly the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just approximately the same. And now the sliced parsnips I'll put in a bowl, and we'll use the bowl to toss them with seasonings and oil. So now parsnips are sliced, and then I'm going to drizzle them with olive oil. So just add it to taste. It helps it get more perfectly roasted and more browned. And now sprinkle the seasoning. So I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And you can use any seasonings you like that you like to use for roasting vegetables. And now I'm going to toss them to coat evenly with oil and seasonings. And now, once you've tossed them, let's put them on a baking sheet. So just put them on a baking sheet in a single layer. Perfect. So now parsnips are ready for roasting, so let's put them in the oven. So I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and now parsnips go in the oven. Now the parsnips have been roasting for 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. Let's take a look. Look at these parsnips. They're perfectly roasted, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. They look amazing. So I recommend just piercing with a fork to make sure they're tender. Yeah, they're super tender, but you know, sometimes they're harder, or maybe your oven cooks different, so it might take longer. So if you don't think they're tender enough for your liking, just put them back in the oven for 5 more minutes or 10 more minutes until they're tender. But they look so good, so browned, and they're very healthy. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying them. See how browned? Perfect. They're so tender with a deep roasted flavor. They taste delicious and they're so good for you. You're gonna love baking parsnips in the oven. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!